Hello guys and welcome to another video of Gus Random Reviews. In this video, I will be reviewing a simple and yet fun wristwatch with LED lights that display the time as binary code. Now, if you're familiar with binary code, it is the most basic form of computer code and is made up of numbers 0 and 1. So you're probably wondering, so how does this watch work? Well, let me tell you. On top, which you see here on top, you will have a row which will show the current hour, and each LED light will represent a number translated from binary code. Let's just take, for example, if you start from the right all through the left, you will have a 1, a 2, a 4, and an 8. At the bottom, you will have a row which will display the current minutes, and each LED light will also represent a number from binary code. For example, starting from the left all through the right, you will have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. So what does this mean, and how do you tell time? To tell time, you can press 1 or 2 or either of these two buttons are located on the right side here. And depending on the time, the LED light will glow. From there, you just add up the glowing numbers from the top and the bottom to tell the time. Let's just take, for example. So right now you have the 8 and you have the 2. So that translates as 10 o'clock. At the bottom, you have 16, you have 8, you also have the 2 and the 1. So that translates as 26. So the time is 10:26. So this watch easily displays time in real binary as long as it is visible. It has a very simple and very futuristic design. It is very comfortable to wear all day. Now, also the material, which is made of plastic, it's comfortable and it does not irritate your wrist. It does use one battery, which means that the watch will have a long battery because it does not run all day as long as you're not pressing either of these two buttons to kind of display the time. You also have a couple of takeaways about this watch. For example, it may be difficult to tell time in the dark, especially if it's very dark, because the background of the watch is black, which is again difficult to tell the position or where each of the LED lights display. I found that it was not that easy to set up time. You kind of have to play around, the mode and the adjustment to kind of toggle through the time and to kind of get the LED lights to represent in the right location. So you're actually spending more time, setting up the time where needed. I also found that there's no indication to tell whether it's AM or PM. There's no date. There's no alarm. There's no notifications. It is not water resistant. And also the material is made of flexible plastic, again, which may not be suitable for everyone. And the watch face has this glass, which seems very cheap, which to me can easily, scratch. Also, the LED lights only display for about 7 seconds whenever you press these buttons. And I think that at minimal, it should have at least, been 10 seconds. However, in conclusion, I think that the watch has a very nice appearance. Also, the design is very nice. It's comfortable to wear. And you know what? It is very different from your ordinary and digital, chronograph, analog, or any, hybrid watch. This watch is meant to be simple and also to have the minimal of features. It is not, it is meant to be fun and different. However, with basic, you will have some issues and lack of features. It may also not be suitable for everyone. Nevertheless, if you're someone that enjoys binary code, something fun, silly, and is looking for a fun toy, then this is for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I appreciate you. Take care.